it's an A or an F. Okay. Again, from my days at Pennsylvania State University, we had a course in manufacturing, and that was a course which no American would take. Okay, so we had like the graduate, the MS program had about 40 students, and this course was like 18 students opted for this course. Out of which 15 were Indians and 3 were Koreans. So no American would opt for the course for the simple reason that in that course either you make an A or you make an F. Okay, you don't make any other grades. And F means fail. You need to do the course again. There will be plenty of situations in life where you will have to face this. You will either make an A or an F. Okay, so you need to be ready for the challenge. The challenge for us there, and I would want to share it with you because these are exciting experiences that I have gone through. So this course was about sitting in one room here. So if I'm sitting in one room here, okay, and I have say 5 different components which are manufactured in my factory, then I would program the parts that are to be made today, okay, in the factory, sitting from this room, and there would be a robot which would walk to the place where the raw material is, pick up the raw material. Okay, there was a series of processes which were like machining processes. So we had a turning process, we had a milling process, we had a process on a 5-axis milling machine. So it would the robot would then move the parts between these machines, and the finished product would be kept on a shelf at a specified spot. Okay. All this just through a press of a button. There was no manual intervention at any point of time. Okay, and there was no classwork in this course. There were no assignments. There was only one project, and the project was evaluated on the last day of the semester, where the professor would walk in the class and he would say, "Show me a demo." Okay, if your demo works, you make an A. If your demo doesn't work, you make an F. That's the approach. So you will encounter these situations. Be geared up for them.